All right, check this out. We're going to be replacing some spark plugs on this Volkswagen Atlas. This is a 2018 with the VR6 engine. This video is not sponsored by anyone. All these parts were bought and paid for by myself, including the tools used in the video. And if you need any of the tools, there will be a link in the description. Torque wrench, a spark plug socket. I did use a longer one that's magnetized. I like that one a little better. Pick, screwdriver, basic tools, ratchet, some needle nose if needed, and then this coil puller set. If you have a Volkswagen Atlas or working on them a lot, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of Volkswagen Atlas videos. All right, so we're going to disconnect the connector. It's a little tab right there. You just push down, push on that tab and slide it out, and you have the coil right there. Looks a little dirty. Might want to spray some compressed air first. So I bought this toolkit specifically for this job. And this is the coil puller that I'm going to use. Now you could buy the coil puller, just the one you need, but the toolkit wasn't that much more, so I just bought the whole thing. So you just reach on the coil, just give it a little twist back and forth, and pull it straight up. Comes up pretty easily. Now you could probably try to do it without the puller, but it's not really worth it. Just get the puller so you don't mess up the coil. And we're just gonna spray some compressed air in there. I'm gonna use this long spark plug socket. There's a magnet in the end of there. This one is a 5/8. You can use the smaller ones. I just like the magnet because it works really well. Loosen that up. I'll take it out by hand. There we go. There's the old one. Doesn't look too bad for 100,000 miles. A little bit of white on there concerns me a little bit. Hopefully that's not coolant. Let's match, which they do. And the original ones were NGKs also, so that's good. All right, now we're going to compare the new one to the old one. Just turn this on, take a look. The old one's flashing pretty good. All right, take the new plug, put it in the spark plug socket, and get it started. All right, that's tight. And just torque those to spec. Just going to use a little dielectric grease on the ends of the coils. That's good. Take the coil, line it up, push it in. Take the connector, lock it down. And then you're going to do the same with the other ones. These are going to be a little trickier. Let's use a pick, get under the clip. This tool is really helpful. Definitely recommend this tool. It slides right out. So it clips right onto the coil just like that. Pull it out. Looks about the same as the other one. There we go. Make sure they snap all the way down. Seems like these connectors are a little trickier than the other ones. Alright, last one. Pretty much look like all the other ones. Slide that in. Alright, those are all the way down. There we go, it's running smooth. I didn't have a problem before, but I just wanted to do a tune-up because it was at 100,000 miles, so we're good to go now. And if you have a Volkswagen Atlas, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of repair videos for this vehicle. Thanks.